Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for Switzerland's online tourist visa. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify that neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, for Switzerland, it matters a lot from where you are applying. If you apply from a location where online facility is not available, you cannot apply online. Then you have to submit on paper. But at the same time, if you are applying from a location where this is available, you can do. Let me show you an example. To assess your option, this is the official site of Federal Department of Justice and Police online visa system. Okay, so see, to assess your option, please enter where you have legal residence. Okay, not your nationality. So if I place India here and I click next, for this representation it is not possible to apply visa application online, so this has to go on paper. Okay, of course there is a way, but if I select Canada, let's say you are on a work permit in Canada, you are an Indian citizen and you are in Canada, okay, and then you apply, then from here you can apply. So see, if you are in Canada, where you can apply? You can apply Montreal Swiss representation in Canada. So there are 3 locations where it can be applied: Montreal, Ottawa and Vancouver. So Montreal location is for provinces of Manitoba, Ontario, Quebec, Prince Edward, New Brunswick. Okay, so if you select this and if you go to next, okay, so here you have the link to online application, and this is a Schengen visa. The application form to travel to Switzerland or Finland can be submitted online. Once you made your online application, with gain access to electronic appointment system to choose your appointment. If you do this, select online application. If you want to do online application, okay, so if you click on online application, so this is how it works. So first you need to put your information here, and then you're gonna go to next page, and this is a captcha. So I'm going to put some information here. So then here like you get an email with the link, so I'm gonna follow the link. Okay, so after clicking the link, we reach here and click the next. Your device allow locals at the possibility of resume recording after a failure of data loss. We recommend you to allow. Okay, what's up to you. All right, so first is the personal data. So okay, I'm gonna put some sample. Next is travel document and home address, so I'm gonna put some sample. Next is occupation and employer, so I'm gonna put that information. Now next comes the planned travel that you wanna do, tourism and more information. So you gotta be very careful about dates, where you are entering a member state, because Schengen visa type it is. If you have previously issued, select yes. If no, no. Entry permit. Okay, and entry permit, fill out the following fields. If you have an entry permit issued by third country outside Schengen area, and if you visit this country during your trip. So I'm just leaving it because I assume this is not applicable, but fill as per your case. Next is accommodation information. So this is very simple, like in all Schengen visa cases we see this kind of system. Anyway, I'm gonna put information, then I'm gonna click on next. Next is travel and living expenses. Okay, so you need to do as per your case. The last step, where you have the option to edit and make changes, and then you can complete registration. If you have more people, you can add more, and you can also delete if you think that you have made too many mistakes. So I'm going to delete it because I don't want this to stay in the system. Anyway, it will not go because it's just a sample and I have not submitted it. So let me delete it first. Perfect, deleted, fine. Alright guys, so guys, after this you schedule the appointment, go with the checklist, and then you pay the fee and everything happens online, and then you go there and they are going to give you all the instructions that how to do next step after you are done with this. So I hope you got the idea. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.